how to use the vocabulary that means difficult in Cantonese within correlated unequal comparison. In Cantonese and Kongtonese, 我搞啲咁啊摸啲掂，摸啲掂咁啊硬啲掂，硬啲掂咁啊依家惡撈啲。The more difficult to make it, so then the slower to be done. The slower to make it done, so then the later to be done. The later to make it done, so then the more difficult to work now. Vocabularies are ngok. Both of them are the same word. That means difficult, hard. D or D. Both of them are the same word. That means some more as unequal comparative particle. This is related to Chinese dai as unequal comparative particle some more. The monosyllabic form gum, the original disyllabic form gamma. That means faithfully, so then in Cantonese from Bali, gamma. The monosyllabic form more, the disyllabic form me more. The word means slow, beam means upright, and so it means okay and well done. An means late. Yiga now, this time. Lo, to do, to make, to work, to labor, to act as. Compare with Burmese, lo, Vietnamese, lum, lam, and to Karen B, lam.